Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add emojis or icon to folder on your Mac. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. So as you all can see, I have two folders on my desktop. One is files and another one is photos. So on this particular folder, I have added icon, and on this particular folder, I have added emoji. So how to do that? Let me clear this first. So yes, it's clear. Now in order to add emoji or icon to a folder, all you have to do is just simply select that particular folder, right click on your trackpad and then select customize folder option. Once you select customize folder, you get multiple options over here. So all these are the icons and it is divided in categories. So over here you can find people, animal and nature. If you go down, there are again multiple categories given over here. So from these icons, you can choose whichever icon you want. So suppose if I want to add icon to this files folder, I am going to search for a similar icon. So for now, I'm going to use this document icon, or else you can use this clipboard with lists. Whichever option is good for you, you can go with that. So after selecting the icon, you can just simply tap anywhere, and now you can see we have added an icon on this folder successfully. Now if you want to add emoji, then again select the folder, right click and then select customize folder option, and over here as I said, you will find icons, but down here you get an option of emoji. So you can simply select emoji option. You can search for a particular emoji. So if you want to add smiley face, you can just search for it. You can choose whichever emoji you want, and like this it will be added on the folder. Again, if you want to change it, go to emoji and choose different option or different emoji. So this is how simple it is to add emoji or icon to folder on your Mac. Now for doing this, make sure that your Mac is updated to macOS Tahoe or macOS 26. In my case, you can see my Mac is running 26.3, which is macOS Tahoe. So if you are on previous version, then you won't get this option, but with new macOS you have this feature. Now if in case you want to remove the icon or emoji, again you have to go to the customize folder option, and this time you have to select clear, and now you can see the icon is gone. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.